Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah Vlogmas. We're talking today about Mrs Weasley's jumpers. Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here with Knit and Natter Vlogmas to talk lots and lots about knitting. Okay. Now, do subscribe because I'm going to have a video every day before Christmas. We're talking Vlogmas at the moment, which is all about putting up a video every day, 24 days of December. So, do subscribe. Yes, that would be great. And hit the little bell so you get a notification every time a new Vlogmas video comes up from me. Right, Mrs Weasley's jumpers. What does she do so well that you need to think about too when you're knitting for Christmas? She does three things really well. First of all, she hand knits these jumpers. Can you believe it? She's a witch. She can wave her magic wand and sit there and watch a jumper knitted before her eyes in the air. It may take half an hour, it may take 5 minutes, depends on how wonderful her magic skills are. But she hand knits them. It says so very specifically in JK Rowling's book, Mrs Weasley's hand knitted jumper. So that's amazing. Harry Potter books talk about knitting a lot because JK Rowling talks about knitting a lot. She recognises it as an intrinsic part of English country life, of English life in general. We are knitters and knitting has been around for a very long time. So the first thing is that it's hand knitted. The second thing is that she knits it with a really special part of Harry knitted into the fabric. In the first year we discover that she has knitted the capital letter H on the front, obviously H for Harry. And this is so beautiful. The point being that Harry had lived with his aunt and uncle all his life and only just realised that he's actually part of this very special wizardry world. And he meets Mrs Weasley's son, Ron, on the train on his way to Hogwarts. And Mrs Weasley realises that he hasn't had the cherishing love that her sons and her daughter have had all the way through their lives. So she takes it upon herself to give him a hug by sending him a Christmas jumper as well. That's real love. But she doesn't just knit it for him, she puts him into the jumper as well. Firstly, by putting his initial on it. In the 6th year, we actually discover that she's put a snitch on the front of his jumper. Using the intarsia technique, she's put the snitch on his jumper. And this is a ball, a little gold ball with wings that is used in the game of Quidditch, Harry Potter's favourite sports at school is Quidditch. So she really thinks about it when she knits. She doesn't just say, I'm going to knit him a blue jumper. She says, I'm going to knit him a jumper that means something to him. That little extra something. So what else does she do? She does three things. She hand knits, she puts himself into it with the intarsia technique, and she chooses the colours well. She chooses the colours of his team, his house at Hogwarts. He's in Gryffindor House, one of the 4 houses of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. And the point is that this house means so much to him. It's the first time he's felt like he's got a family. She knits all his jumpers all the way through the years in burgundy and gold because it means so much to him. Think about that when you're knitting. Do you have a teenager or an 8-9-year-old just starting to read the Harry Potter books and they love it so much that they've gone and found out which house they're in? Could you knit in Harry Potter colours when you knit for Christmas? Think about it. There are lots of other ways you can make these Christmas knits special. You want to gift it and you want to see it worn. You don't want to see it sitting getting dusty. You know, by New Year's Day, oh, I'm never going to wear that. I'm just going to leave it hanging around so that that person who gave it to me thinks I knitted it, thinks I've worn it. Well, You don't want that, do you? You want to see it worn and loved and cherished for so many years. So I have got a weekend workshop for you. 35 minutes of video, over 5 videos. We're going to talk about all sorts of things. Using Harry Potter colours and using initials on jumpers is just the first thing. It's the tip of the iceberg. There are lots of different things you can do, and I'm going to help you work out and figure out each present so that it's just that little bit more special. Okay, I will put the link for the description for that weekend workshop in the description below. I do hope I'll see you on the inside, and do join me again for Vlogmas tomorrow, because I will be back. I will be here with more knitting videos. Bye for now. Happy knitting.